Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So, local bank officer is a new trend in the banking sector examination. We started observing nowadays, right? So, after Indian bank, local bank officer, now we have UBI LBO. I have already made a video based on that. You should apply or not, who should apply for this particular examination. I made a detailed video on it. Now, what are the things which we need to prepare in the general awareness section, GS section? That is most important. That what are the major months which are going to be important and what is the pattern of this particular examination. What type of question we should prepare? Should we focus on banking awareness more, or we should focus on the current affairs more, or on the static part? That I am going to discuss with you today in this small session. Important months, important topics based on the previous examination. I know that we do not had any exam of Union Bank of India local bank officer previously, but this year we had one exam, that was Indian Bank local bank officer 2024. So what was the question pattern in the examination, what were the important months? So everything based on the previous Indian Bank LBO exam, we can get some type of expectation for our upcoming UBI LBO as well. Okay? So UBI LBO exam is expected in the first week of December. This is going to be the date in the first week. Maximum starting of the second week of December, we can expect the examination of UBI LBO. Now, the total number of vacancies are 1,500. Good number of vacancies. Already I have made a detailed video on it, that in which state what are the vacancies and who should apply. Because of language proficiency test, it is very necessary you should know the regional language while applying in a particular state. So, do not apply randomly. Do not at all apply randomly. Now, I have already made a detailed video based on the GA question asked in Indian Bank LBO examination. You will be able to see. Just you will put over GA question asked in Indian Bank LBO. Top 3 videos you will be able to see. They are mine only on the Google. So you can watch the videos if you want to see the detailed pattern, that okay, what was the list of questions and number of questions, from which important months the questions came in the Indian Bank LBO examination. Based on that, I am going to give you the exact recommendation now. Now, point number 1 is first week of December is the date of examination for UBI LBO. Okay. Now, important months on the safer side is going to be June to November 2024. So, if you are able to cover or you have already covered the current affairs because of your IBPS PU mains examination, because of the previous mains examination, clerk mains, RRB PU mains, if you have covered, if you have given these exams and you have already covered the current affairs from June onwards, then it is going to be very much helpful to you. No need to prepare anything separately. Everything will be the banking current affairs only. Okay. So June to November 2024 will be the month based on which you need to keep your focus, keep your target while preparing for UBI LBO general awareness. Now, the months are going to be in a series of importance. October is going to be the most important month. You will be able to see multiple questions from the October months, from the month of October compared to November. Compared to November, October month will create more number of questions. After that, you should cover November month in detail, then September, then July, then August. So this is going to be the sequence. You can expect majority of the questions from the month of October and the month of July. These are the 2 months from where you will be able to see more number of questions in your examination. So while you are preparing, keep the bigger focus on these 2 months, October and July month. Okay. Now, important months or important topics. After the important months, the important topic. Indian Bank LBO examination had maximum question from a topic called government scheme. But they asked 2 type of question from the government scheme. One, from the static government schemes. Second, from the government schemes which are in current. For example, I'll give you example. Static schemes, we saw questions from Atal Pension Yojana in the Indian Bank LBO examination. So these type of schemes are static schemes which are always an important. You cannot leave for any examination, any banking sector, insurance sector examination or ECGCPU examination, any exam you are writing, they are always important, equally important for every examination. So, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Sukanya Samriddhi Account, Kisan Vikas Patra, National Saving Certificate, Senior Citizen Saving Scheme, Mahila Samman Saving Certificate, PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, Fasal Bima Yojana, KCC, PIDF, Mudra, they are important. Now, apart from that, the schemes which are in current affairs. Like in the Indian Bank LBO, we have seen the question based on Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, PM E-Drive related questions. So these are going to be important, which are in current affairs also. Started from same month, June till November. So June to November current affairs you need to cover, important schemes you need to cover topic wise. Try to cover it topic wise. So you will be able to connect it. See, PM E-Drive scheme was launched. Then after that they replaced the FAME scheme. Then few more schemes got merged into that. So all the updates you are able to cover at a time. If you are reading about the PM E-Drive related to budget allocation, what is the target, every detail you should know before going for the examination. So static government schemes, then current government schemes, two type of schemes you need to cover from the government scheme topic. After that, business news. There are most of the questions in the examination after government scheme. The second important topic was business news. Questions we have seen related to ETF, blue chip companies, merger, acquisition, bonds, stocks. So from the banking awareness topic, if you are confused, sir, should we go for the banking awareness in depth? If you have already covered banking awareness, it is good to revise. But if you have not at all touched the banking awareness yet, and you are near to examination, now what to do? So in that case, what you can do cover the topic called money market, capital market. So this money market, capital market, bond market, this topic you should cover in detail. Ye topic aap kar lijiye. Second important topic from the banking awareness list, that is payment settlement. Payment system. That is NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, UPI, USSD. In that, mostly you should cover the updated things, like what is the limit of UPI Lite, what is the limit of UPI 123 Pay, what is the limit of USSD, updations, UPI Lite wallet upgraded to what, so that you need to cover. After that, banking and financial news. Union Bank of India will definitely create 1 to 2 question in the examination. So whatever the bonds issues by Union Bank of India, any type of RBI impose any type of penalty over it, or bank have launched any portal in the recent time, any FD facility launched by the bank, that will definitely create 1 to 2 question, easy to cover, right? After that, the other important portals or the initiatives which came in the banking industry from the banking and financial news, that you need to cover. Third important topic was rank and reports. So ranking of India in the different indexes and different types of report issues by the international organization like World Bank, IMF, loan issues by them. So that was the fourth important topic. And fifth, the common one, national news or the news of national importance. Whenever you read first in India, first in this particular state, which is first in India. So one thing, state news has very less weightage. If you are covering for this particular examination, when you are preparing for this particular examination, you can give less importance to states in news. You need to keep focus on national news, news of national importance. So that was the important area. So these were the all important topics for your examination. I hope this video is going to help you. For your support, from my side, I am going to cover each and everything in detail from the month of June till the month of November for this UBI LBO examination. If you are preparing for it, you can go for GA Hustle batch. Join the batch today itself. You will be able to see multiple classes completely targeting to all your examination. And do not worry, it is not only the batch for LBO. After your LBO examination also, it is going to continue till February. You are able to connect till Feb 2025. You are able to cover your current affairs in this batch. So you can join the batch today itself. If you feel that the small video have given you the clear insight how to prepare for this particular examination, please write in the comment box, share with your friends as well. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Jai Hind.